If you are seeing a pink line on your Samsung phone screen, here is a quick method to try before going for repairs. First, open your phone app. Now navigate to the keypad. Here you will need to type in star hash 0 star hash. You will be directed to this page, Samsung Hardware Test menu. Now tap on the red, green and blue options one by one to display solid colors on your screen, as this can sometimes reset pixel issues and remove the pink line. After checking each color, return to your home screen and see if the line is gone. If the issue remains, swipe down from the top to open the quick settings panel. Tap the power icon and restart your phone by selecting restart and confirming again. Once the phone reboots, check the screen. If the pink line is still there, it may indicate a hardware problem such as a damaged display connection or screen failure, and you may need to visit a Samsung service center or a trusted repair shop to have the device professionally fixed. And that's it. This is how you can fix pink line on your Samsung phone screen. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.